As a professional in today's fast-paced, data-driven world, you're constantly looking for ways to streamline your workflow and make informed decisions quickly. One of the most exciting trends right now is the emergence of AI tools that can help you analyze data without any coding skills required. In this video, we'll explore the best AI tools for data analysis that you can use in 2026, saving you time and effort. First, let's talk about Tableau. This popular data visualization tool has become even more powerful with the introduction of its AI-driven features. With Tableau, you can connect to various data sources, including spreadsheets, databases, and cloud storage services. For instance, let's say you want to analyze sales data for a company. You can connect to a Google Sheet spreadsheet, create a dashboard, and use the AI-powered Ask Data feature to get instant insights. Imagine being able to ask questions like, what are the top-selling products by region? Or, how has sales revenue changed